How to troubleshoot a Case skid steer 440. Produced by Case, the 440 skid steer loaders is powered by a 4-cylinder, turbocharged engine, and is used for digging, pushing, carrying materials or other heavy-duty construction applications. Despite its durability, problems can arise with the 440. Some simple troubleshooting steps will ensure small problems are quickly corrected or never happen in the first place. Check the fuel level and refuel if necessary using Number 2 diesel engine fuel. A low fuel level, or using the wrong grade of fuel, can cause the engine to stall or fail to start at all. Clear any dirt or debris from both the air and fuel filters. Any kind of blockage can make starting difficult if not impossible. Inspect the radiator and hydraulic cooler screens and clear any dirt or debris to prevent possible overheating. Also check the coolant levels and refuel if necessary. Wipe any dirt or corrosion from the spark plugs using a clean, dry cloth. Spark plugs that show signs of excessive wear or that are burned out must be replaced. Replace the battery if it fails to provide the charge necessary to allow the engine and other parts to operate as designed. Check the levels of both the engine and hydraulic oils. Low oil levels, or oil that is too dirty, will prevent the 440 from operating at peak efficiency.